Yes, welcome back. We'll be talking about NDA requirement. For those of you who are aspiring for NDA, these are the NDA admission requirements. So watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section below. Now, without any further delay, let's go straight to the NDA admission requirement. Minimum of 5 years O-level credit at GC, SSC, WAEC, NECO, and NAPTIP in English language, mathematics, and 3 other subjects which are relevant to the intended program at not more than 2 sittings. Must be at least 17 years old but not more than 21 years old. For the applicant, he must be 17 years old to 21 and not above 21 years old. Pass the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Board, which is JAMB, and attain acceptable minimum national standard as determined by JAMB annual policy meeting in English language, mathematics, and any other 2 subjects relevant to the proposed course of study as set out by the JAMB purchase. Only candidates who satisfy the admission requirement and must have the JAMB score of 180 for arts and social science and science, which is 210 and above. For engineering courses, are eligible to participate in the screening test. That is, for arts, score is 180 and above, while for science engineering courses is 210 and above. So take note of this. The course applied for JAMB on JAMB and NDA portal must be the same. The course you applied for on JAMB and NDA must be the same. You must choose NDA as your first choice. The choice of UTME subject combination must be relevant to the course applied for in NDA, and you must not be less than 1.68 meters tall for male and 1.65 meters for female. Must be medically and physically fit and must be of good moral character. So know this, NDA is a home of discipline. So in NDA, my mother academy, they don't tolerate nonsense. So you need to have good character and standard. So now let's move further. You must have between, that is your weight, 18.5 to 25.5 kg to be considered for selection. Must be single. You must be single. You must present indigene certificate from the state government or local government area. Working knowledge of French, Arabic, or Mandarin language is an added advantage. So for the male, your height should be 1.68 meter tall, and for female 1.65 meter. And so also dear smart, you should also note this carefully. Application form submitted without ordinary level result will not be accepted. Candidates awaiting results are not qualified. Only ordinary level examination results of not more than 5 years from the date of examination will not be accepted. Admission into the academy is for both male and female, Nigerians only. I hope with this now you know few things about what NDA admission requirement for the 2022-2023 academic session. If you still have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more of our updates. Thank you. In our next video, we'll be talking about talking about different course combination for the NDA. Thank you and God bless you. Let your morale